This is my Dash 8-inch skillet, and I'm going to be making some lunch today, and I'm making some banana curry rice. It has 3 ingredients, and it has some leftover cooked white rice, a banana, which has been cut up, and some curry powder. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So the first thing we're going to do, this is already preheated. I'm going to open up this dash. And there's the skillet. And I have a half a cup of cooked rice. I've added in 2 tablespoons of water for some additional moisture. You can add some oil to this, or if you want to add some butter to the skillet, you could do that. I'm making a 200 calorie meal right now, so I'm not adding anything. This will cook fine without any oil or butter. The rice is already cooked, so it really just needs to heat thoroughly. And I'm also adding a chopped banana. This is just a medium banana. I'm using what I have on hand in the house right now. And the next thing I'm going to do is sprinkle on some curry powder. I like this hot Madras curry powder. That should be good. And then I'm just going to cover this and let this cook for a while. Okay, it's been cooking for 1 minute. Let's open this up and give this a stir. Be careful with the steam that comes off of this because it's very hot. And the bananas are starting to soften a little bit. Oh, I'm a little messy. Some of it spilled out, but that's okay. I'm going to cover that and let that cook for another minute or so. There's a whole lot of steam coming out of this right now. It's been about another minute. Let's open it up. Let's see where we're at. Again, be careful with the steam. Be really careful. This smells really good. The banana is starting to brown nicely. Starting to get really soft. I'm going to close this and cook it about 1 more minute. Okay, it's been about a minute, minute and a half. Let's open this up. It's super hot. Okay, and this looks like it's done. A lot of the liquid has started to cook off, and I don't want the bottom to burn. The bottom is starting to brown nicely. So I'm going to unplug this from the wall. There's no on-off switch on this, and I am going to now scoop this out into a bowl. I find that a non-stick spatula is the best tool to use with this Dash griddle. It works well to scoop things out. This is what it looks like scooped out of the griddle. I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit more curry powder because I do like a lot of flavor. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt, 2 pinches. And there we have it. This is banana curry rice. Super simple to make, super cheap. I mean, a banana is like 19 cents, 20 cents, and This is a half cup of leftover rice. So what is that? Another 10 cents, and maybe not even 5 cents for some curry powder and some salt. All totaled, we're talking less than 50 cents for this nice little meal. This is a 200-calorie meal, or even just a snack. Okay, so now let's taste this. It looks really good. The banana is sweet and creamy, and the curry powder is like savory and spicy, and it's a perfect contrast to the banana. This is really nice. This would make a great side dish. Or for me, this is a really nice light lunch. It's super healthy. There's no fat. It's just some fruit and some carbs. And remember, the human body runs on carbohydrates. This is so good. It's a nice little 200-calorie healthy meal. And it's easy to make and quick to make and super cheap.